Yo, it's your boy Phil coming live to you about how I broke a rule today that I set Sunday. And I mean, it's an important rule now because I'm still in college, but eventually that rule will be gone. Yo, hold on. It's your boy Phil. My bad, technical difficulties. But so to start off today, I traded NNVC. We're gonna break it down. How I broke a rule. Normally, Monday, Wednesday, Thursdays. No, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I leave to go to class around 9:40. Now, asking myself, why am I in this trade if I gotta leave in 10 minutes? But me being a stubborn trader that I am, sometimes trying to make that last little bit of cash. Um, you know, it gets the best of me sometimes. But I mean, I stuck to my process. The play was actually a part of my playbook. Wanted it up here, but it didn't get there. Okay, let's break it down how we're supposed to. So, give me 1 second. So pre-market, I saw it starting to top out around 950s. Areas I was interested in was 10, but when I saw that it was topping out at 9, in the 950s, that's where I started shorting. So every time it tapped, I shorted. Should have covered at 880s below, but I was in class. I mean, shit happens. I mean, this was a rule I set Saturday, and I didn't trade within my rule. I didn't keep the time available for me, nor did I keep in mind that you got to leave in a few. Why are you trading this? So that's one thing. Had a resistance right here. So it could reach right in here. So this is the area I was trading into during pre-market. Looking for it to come back to here. They only got the 880s, which is fine. Should have covered. I mean, but I can't. I'm not near my computer, nor do I have any access to my computer. So pre-market, we scale. We scale into this line. We scale into this line. Scale into resistance. Pre-market resistance. Former resistance from yesterday. So we scale into that. Risking higher. Mind you, I'm not near my computer, so for me to scale in here, I have to be at my computer. I put a stop right here if it breaks while I was going, because I was looking for downside potential. Didn't obviously get that. Wanted to cover right here because if it didn't see more downside in the consolidating, I want to get out because that's the pattern I called out in chat before. That it consolidates, then it has to move. If it consolidates, then it has to move. So that's one part I did not want to get into. I had consolidated and then it had to move, which is not good on my end. Should have covered right here. Left for class around. Appreciate it, brother. But left for class around this around 940. So me immediately did not assess the plan properly. I didn't identify that. You have to leave at a certain time. You can't be in a position by that certain time. I was being stubborn, trying to get it to the support level, trying to see if it could break. Didn't take the profits the first time. Was gone do this move and got squeezed out. Which ultimately I lost right on. I was right, but who want to be right? We want to make money. So I should have covered right here. This is support. This is the support I wanted. But if you look right here, this is where the noise is at. This is where the area you have to look for it to get right here. So you have to look at the 880s, 875 area for it to get to that level of 80s in the 850s. It consolidated right there, which is consolidated pre-market. So you have a consolidation. So you have two consolidations right here and right here. Spelled that so wrong. Oh, why did I spell it wrong? Consolidation. Yeah. So I have two consolidations. It consolidated in the same spot, indicating that it's consolidating, indicating that we should get out. It's time to get out, time to take profits and move on. It ultimately squeezed. I'm in class, saw it squeeze, and I mean, I just took the loss. It's okay. I set a hard stop right around here. End up getting actually filled right around here at 950. But I mean, I'm not near my computer, so being that, here's the actual trade. As you can see, scaled up, scaled, and then eventually got stopped out while I was in class. Ultimately, if I was here, I would have covered before 10:30. That's my normal rule. Cover before 10:30. But I mean, I broke the rule of time, and it's not. I mean, you have to learn in this game. So I learned a valuable lesson, which is don't trade when you got something else going on. I graduate. This is my last semester, so I graduate soon. I have all the time to trade. Don't waste it on stupid trades when you don't have time. So key learning area. The key learning lesson is don't act on the opportunity when you know which it's okay to let it run, but not when you first getting into the trade. So that's my key lesson for today. Stick to that rule. Do not trade when you have class at 10:10. You gotta leave at 9:40 to get to class, and then you have a test right after that class. So you have no time to get back home to get out to your positions or none of that. So and then I have no other way. I have a laptop, and my laptop can't access my brokerage account. So I mean, ultimately, it's okay. Lesson learned. Good trade overall. Real good trade overall. But just one rule was broken and it's cost me. So my tip for y'all is to stick to them rules. That's how you be consistent. and just keep working, like keep working on the same strategy, because this, like, I'm consistent with this strategy. I know the strategy. It works for me. As long as I get out before 10:30, it works. But if it would have broke, then I'd be talking about a different story. So I mean, if then scenarios, it's okay. Still green overall on the year, so it's not. I mean, it didn't hurt. I'm still like 10 times green on the year, so it's pretty good. But otherwise than that, I see.